Hello friends, in this video we are going to see problem from buoyancy concept. So as per the given question, for a floating body, very important word, for a floating body, the buoyant force acts at the option A, centroid of the floating body, option B, center of gravity of the body, option C, centroid of the fluid vertically below the body, centroid of the displaced fluid. So as per the Archimedes principle, we know that for a submerged body, whether it is a partially or fully submerged, the buoyancy force will be always equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. This word is very important. Weight of liquid displaced. As per Archimedes principle, weight of liquid displaced. Correct. So for a floating body, buoyant force acts at the, and also we know that what is center buoyancy. Center buoyancy is the point where through which the buoyancy force will pass, and what is the direction? Always vertically upward, right? Always vertically upward. So centroid of the floating body, correct? If you talk about the centroid of the floating body, let us see a floating body. Let us see a floating body. So this is the floating body. You can see some part of the body is outside water, some part of the body is inside water. This is the free surface of water. So where is the center of gravity? This is the center of gravity. And buoyancy force will be little bit, or center of buoyancy will be below the center of gravity. So for a floating body, buoyancy force acts at the centroid of the floating body. So centroid of the floating body is CG, correct? Centroid of the floating body is CG. At this point, buoyant force will not act. Buoyant force will act through center of buoyancy, CB. Right? So this first point is wrong. Second one is center of gravity of the body. Center of gravity of the body is the same CG only they are talking about. Centroid of the floating body is CG only. Centroid is only we used for the three-dimensional body. Center of gravity of the body is talking about the same point. Center of gravity of the body, that's also wrong. Centroid of the fluid vertically below the body. So vertically below the body, vertically below the body, so many lot of water is there. So we don't know how much is the depth. So where is the centroid of this fluid vertically below the body? That is indefinite. We don't know. That is also not an option. Centroid of the fluid displaced. This is very correct answer as per the Archimedes principle, that the buoyancy force acts at the centroid of the displaced fluid, or CG of the submerged part of the body in liquid. What is the CG of the submerged part? So this is the submerged part, right? So this CG is nothing. This CG is nothing but center of buoyancy only, CB. So that's the answer. Centroid of the displaced fluid. Displaced word is very important for the vertically upward force and buoyancy force. Okay, please remember. So D is the right answer. Okay, thank you.